You're about to witness a timepiece that's pure magic. Seiko's just dropped a watch inspired by Fullmetal Alchemist, and trust me, it's a game changer. You'll want to get your hands on this limited edition beauty, and here's why. It's not just a watch, it's a piece of anime history. The design's a love letter to fans, with subtle nods to the series that'll make your heart skip a beat. From the intricate details to the bold color scheme, every element screams Fullmetal Alchemist. But what really sets it apart is the story behind it. Seiko's teamed up with the anime's creators to craft a watch that's both a tribute and a work of art. You'll feel like Edward Elric himself, with the power of alchemy at your wrist. Let's dive in and explore what makes this watch so special. Chapter 1: The Design. It's a faithful recreation of the anime's aesthetic, with a stainless steel case and a striking blue dial. The watch face features the iconic Fullmetal Alchemist logo, along with some clever subtle details that'll make you go back for another look. But that's not all. The real magic happens when you flip it over. The caseback features an engraving of the Gate of Truth, a pivotal symbol in the series. It's a beautiful touch that'll make any fan's heart swell with pride. But there's more to this watch than meets the eye. The movement's a Seiko caliber, known for its reliability and precision. You can trust this watch to keep ticking, no matter what adventures you take it on. And speaking of adventures, let's talk about the inspiration behind this timepiece. The Fullmetal Alchemist series is all about self-discovery and perseverance, values that Seiko's embodied in this watch. It's not just a fashion statement, it's a reminder to stay true to yourself and never give up. Now, you're probably wondering how you can get your hands on this incredible watch. Well, here's the thing, it's a limited edition release, so you'll need to act fast. But don't worry, I've got you covered. I'll give you the lowdown on how to cop this watch before it's gone. Chapter 2: The Specs. This watch is packed with features that'll make your jaw drop. It's got a 40-hour power reserve, a date display, and even a unidirectional rotating bezel. The water resistance is impressive, too. You can take it down to 100 meters without worrying about a thing. But what really impressed me is the attention to detail. The watch comes with a special box featuring the Fullmetal Alchemist artwork, along with a certificate of authenticity. It's the perfect collectible for any fan, and it's clear that Seiko's put their heart and soul into this release. Now, let's talk about the price. You might be expecting a hefty price tag, but surprisingly, it's quite affordable. You can snag this watch for under $500, which is a steal considering the quality and craftsmanship. But don't expect it to last. Like I said, it's a limited edition, and once it's gone for good. So, what do you think so far? Are you as stoked as I am about this watch? Chapter 3: The Verdict. If you're a fan of Fullmetal Alchemist, this watch is a no-brainer. It's a must-have collectible that'll make you feel like part of the anime world. The design's stunning, the specs are impressive, and the price is unbeatable. But even if you're not a fan of the series, this watch is still worth considering. It's a unique timepiece that's sure to turn heads, and the quality is top-notch. So, what are you waiting for? Get ready to join the ranks of Edward and Alphonse Elric with this incredible Seiko watch. Subscribe for daily entertainment videos.